Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video, and today's going to be another cooking video. I guess I'm going to kind of call this segment Cooking for Clinicals, because that's kind of what I like to do. Go ahead and cook meals, or cook meals that I can easily pack and take for lunch the next day. So it's really good if you're going to clinicals, or if you're going to work, or if you're going to even class. I like to go ahead and pack my meals because, as we all know, nursing school can get really expensive, and what can get even more expensive on top of school already is what you're going to eat when you're at school or when you're at clinicals. I mean, you can easily spend $7, $8, $9, $10 a day, and that really adds up over the course of the month. So what I like to do is go ahead and buy my items that I want to fix and go ahead and cook my meals and bring them with me. And today we're going to be making one of my favorites, and that is Philly cheesesteak. So this is the bread I like to get for that, and it's kind of like just little rolls that are sliced in half. They're called hoagie rolls. You can get any kind of steak sauce that you want, any kind of cheese that you want. I'm using the yellow cheese. You can use the white cheese if you prefer. And this is the brand, or any other brand, but the little steakums, or the little steak slices. They're 100% beef, and they are really good. So what I've already done is, in this bowl I have sliced up, I'm going to show you what it looks like when I pour it in here, but I've sliced up 2 green bell peppers and 2.5 onions, because I really like onions, because I'm going to make enough to make the full 6. So that's what I have in here. And also you're going to need some spices. I use black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, crushed red peppers, and we're going to need a little oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to turn this kind of high on 5. I'm going to put some oil down, and in this container I'm going to go ahead and dump all of my bell peppers and onions. This is what it looks like. And I don't know about you all, but bell peppers and onions is one of my favorite things to just watch cook. It's just so satisfying. I don't know. Maybe it's a little ASMR with the little sizzle action going on. I just love that sound. So what I'm going to do now is let this cook for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add my spices. So everything's been cooking for about 4 minutes and starting to wilt down nicely. And at this time I'm going to add my spices. I just have this little packet of crushed red pepper. I'm going to add a little onion powder, a little garlic powder. Stir that together. I'm going to add some black pepper. And I'm going to add a little salt. Stir that together again. And we'll just keep another eye on this and let this sit for about another 3 to 4 minutes or so. And while that's cooking, time to move over to our steakums. Take them out of the bag. Put a little oil down on the pan that I'm cooking the steakums on. Just a little. Turn that on. We're going to turn that on 4. Just spreading the oil out all over the sheet. I'm just gonna lay the steakums out on the pan. You can turn the heat down on our onion and bell pepper. Gonna turn that down to a 3. And this is what the steakums look like when they're cooking. And I'm just gonna kind of tear them up. So the bell peppers weren't as tender as I wanted them to be, so I turned it back up just so I can cook them down a little more. So you can just cook these as much or as little as you would like. So this is what our steakums are looking like. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the oven on to 375, and I'm gonna put a piece of the hoagie roll in the oven so we can go ahead and get a little toasted. I set it on 5 minutes, but I don't think it's gonna actually take that long. And what I'm about to do now is, this is what the steakum meat is looking like. It's all ready to go. So now all I gotta do is put a little steak sauce over it so it can go ahead and get a little saucy. At this point, the bell pepper and onions are done, so I'm gonna let you all look at that. They look nice and good. The onions are caramelized. My bell peppers are soft and they're seasoned to perfection. And now our meat is also done. At this point, we just need to check on the bread and go ahead and put our piece of cheese on the bread. I'm using a plain piece of American cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like. Just put that on the bread. Now we just gotta wait and let that get all melted. Our cheese is nice and melted on our bread. So now it's just time, ooh, don't fall. Now it's just time to assemble the sandwich. And that's all to it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want more, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment for more.